Pomegranates are often hailed as a superfood, and their nutritional profile reveals why. Each pomegranate is packed with essential nutrients that contribute to overall health. One medium-sized pomegranate contains about 234 calories, making it a low-calorie snack option. It's rich in dietary fiber, providing approximately 11 grams per fruit, which aids in digestion and promotes gut health. The seeds, known as arils, are bursting with vitamins, particularly vitamin C, with about 30% of the daily recommended intake in just one pomegranate. This vitamin is crucial for immune function and skin health. Additionally, pomegranates are an excellent source of vitamin K, which plays a vital role in bone health and blood clotting, delivering around 36% of the daily requirement. Pomegranates also contain significant amounts of potassium, helping to regulate blood pressure and support heart health. Furthermore, they are rich in antioxidants, particularly punicalagins and anthocyanins, which combat oxidative stress and inflammation. This unique combination of nutrients makes pomegranates a powerful addition to any diet, offering a multitude of health benefits.